Hey there, struggling with that pesky Cash App error message? If you've ever found yourself frustrated, unable to complete transactions, and staring at "Please try again later" on Cash App, you're not alone. In this guide, we're diving into effective ways to tackle this issue so you can get back to managing your finances smoothly and hassle-free. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you want to do when you encounter the "Please try again later" message is to check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable connection, whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data. If your connection is unstable, try toggling airplane mode on and off or restarting your router. A poor connection is often the culprit behind this error, so stabilizing your internet should be the first line of defense. Step 2. Update your Cash App. Running an outdated version of Cash App can sometimes lead to issues, including error messages like "Please try again later." Visit the App Store for iOS users or Google Play Store for Android users and check for any available updates. Keeping the app up to date ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes, which could potentially resolve the issue. Step 3. Verify your identity. Cash App may restrict transactions if there are issues with your account verification. Make sure your account is fully verified by checking your profile settings. Provide any necessary information that Cash App requires, such as your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Verifying your identity can often clear roadblocks related to transaction errors. Step 4. Clear cache and app data. Clearing the cache and app data can help resolve persistent bugs and errors. For Android users, go to your device's settings, navigate to Apps, find Cash App, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. For iOS users, uninstalling and reinstalling the app can achieve the similar effect. This process will remove temporary files that might be causing the error. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If all else fails, reaching out to Cash App support can help resolve more complex issues. Within the app, go to your profile and select Cash Support. Describe your issue clearly and provide as much detail as possible, such as any error codes you see. The support team is equipped to handle issues that might require a more technical fix. Encountering the "Please try again later" message on Cash App can be a significant inconvenience, but following these steps can help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Whether it's checking your internet connection, updating the app, verifying your identity, or clearing cache and app data, there's usually a straightforward solution. By staying proactive and keeping your app and account in check, you can avoid running into similar problems in the future. If you continue to face issues, Cash App's support team is there to assist you. Remember, maintaining app functionality is key to seamless transactions and a stress-free financial experience. Happy transacting!